Our Christmas tide tree recipe is incredible this year, and it's all based around the colors that you'd see if you went to a seaside cottage. And what colors do we find at the beach? Well, we find that light sand color. We find the colors of the ocean, light greens, light blues. And when we put those together, we have a unique look for our designer tree here. The other thing you're going to find about Christmas tide is that the ornaments are all shaped ornaments, and they're all drop ornaments. They are just absolutely beautiful. Look at the ombre we have here. We have this light blue and green color at the top, and it fades all the way down to clear. But on this little drop ornament, look at all the beading that we have. A lot of detail is involved in the ornaments on this tree. I love this one just because you pick up the iridescence on it. It's barely an aquamarine. You can see all the way through this translucently, but at the same time, there's just a little bit of this aquamarine color, and it swirls perfectly around these ornaments. The ornaments here for Christmas tide all have that finish, and that's what it's all about in 2023, having those upscale finishes on all of our ornaments. You see more than one color every time that you look at an ornament that you're going to find here in Christmas tide. The other thing that you're going to see here is that color of gold. And I'm going to show this stem right here. This is a leaf stem. We have one leaf here with all of the beading on the end of it. We have another one here that just has a nice glittery fabric that it's made with. And then this one is velvet. We're talking about quality. We're talking about making sure that every single stem offers more to your customer. There's more for them to have in each piece. The gold color itself in Christmas tide is incredible. It is upscale. It is that not quite a champagne gold, but a nice light gold. It's very unique, and it blends perfectly with the greens and the blues that you would find near the seaside.